Hello YouTube. I just got my shovel axe in the mail. I'm gonna do an unboxing and check it out. This is a nice seatbelt kind of material, and it's pretty durable. And it's not that big. It's like my hand size, but then again, my hands are pretty big. This is ferro rod with an O-ring. This is the shovel. Inside the bag, there's 3 compartments, and that's for the extensions. Another one. Okay, so I guess that goes here. You see that? So you have a compass, ferro rod, and there's room in there to put other stuff like matches inside here. Or whatever, like a fire starter. You can put some charred cloth inside here. It's pretty good, like room wise. So it's about this deep, 4 fingers inside. That's pretty awesome. I like that. So I guess I could put the screwdriver back on here, wherever it was. What the hell was it? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, right here. That's a pretty comfortable, nice screwdriver. You can use that all day. This is nice, easy grips, very nice grips. And you got a Phillips and a straight head. Beautiful, nice easy change. So in here we have the saw that comes out. Screws in. Whoa, that's pretty sharp. That's a nice little sharp saw. Sorry. If I can find a piece of wood. This is hardwood. Let's see how that goes. Wow, no problem. For a little saw like that, awesome. And this side is a knife. It seems pretty sharp. Let's see how it cuts paper. I mean, you can always sharpen it. Go back to the review. So it's got a knife, and I guess, I don't know what you can use the front for, but you can see, if you can see the teeth on this saw, they're really nice and sharp. You just put your hand near it and it's like, whoa. Okay, so that goes back to the extension. No. Put this back first. Okay. Okay, so this is Velcro. Hold the shovel in. Finally get to the shovel part. There we go. The shovel. Wow, that's nice. You can sharpen this up too with your. So I guess it's you put it on any angle you like. Got different angles, and then you just tighten it. really nice and sturdy. It feels really good. This saw is really nice and sharp too. So let's see. This is the rest of the extension. So they all have like some extra room in there. You can store some stuff like some fish hooks or something. Okay, here we go. So the saw, you just screw back in here. So you put the saw in here, screw it in nice and tight, and you got a nice little handle to use a knife and a saw. So yeah, we already tried that. It cuts nice. You can screw that in here. Nice and shiny Christmas tree. Here's a screwdriver. Here's a compass with a ferro rod screw in. Right. We still got the extension going on. And finally the compass. Now, this part is the saw part. See how it cuts? Wow. This is hardwood. Cuts pretty nice. That's not so bad, but anyways, I'm going to do that out in the woods. I'll give it a nice try there. And let's see how tall it is. All the way out, 29 inches. Not bad at all. Oops. That's not a bad shovel at all, eh? Tough as hell. You can use it back as a hammer. So if you're going to drive in some spikes, that's pretty tough. And you can unscrew it. Use it any way you want, like up to here is a hook, like to climb, a climbing hook, or a hoe. Everybody can use a hoe out in the woods, I think. So, yeah, like I said, we'll try it out in the woods and different sketch. Alright, that's great. Thanks for watching. If you liked, let me know. I'll put the link below for the Amazon link. And that's it. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.